Hi, my name is Sai Nikhil. I am working on ultraviolet radiation measurements using smart devices. The contents are abstract, introduction, procedure, architecture, methodology, algorithm, results, applications, conclusion, reference. And the abstract which we use are ultraviolet radiation has a great impact on human health, which causes skin cancer and other eye problems, which can only provide rough and average prediction for a certain large area. So a smart device which measures UV radiation at a specific location accurately and precisely is developed, which measures the UV radiations using smartphone cameras, using CMOS sensors, and by using fog computing in improving the accuracy of the system. Introduction. UV rays present in the sunlight is carcinogenic in nature and causes skin cancer. It is very important and helpful to provide people a way to measure UV radiations around them accurately and conveniently. The second type, there are two major types of equipment which can measure UV radiation nowadays. These are the first type is spectroradiometers, which are mainly used in laboratories, and the second type is portable digital UV meters, which are they are small and portable in nature, but they do not provide accurate reading. In recent years, the idea of using smartphones to measure UV radiations has emerged. CMOS sensors inside smartphone cameras are very sensitive to UV radiations and have the ability to provide UV measurements precisely. Since the procedure is based on the optical theory of the camera, the configuration of the camera such as resolution and pixel size does not affect the result. Next, the procedure. The purpose is to wear smartphone cameras without any added accessories can be used to measure UV radiations. A measure can take a snapshot. User can take a snapshot of the area and can get instant and accurate results on its phone. The same user can also get accurate UV measurements in rural areas without internet connectivity. This is the main advantage of this uh, seminar and project. Result optimization can be achieved in real time by taking advantage of fog computing, because fog servers are able to aggregate UV radiations data and compute the results at local area. The picture given below is the architecture of the measuring UV radiations using smart devices, and the methodology algorithm designs capture optimal photos. Get an optimal photo where parameters like exposure, time, aperture, and film speed plays a permanent role in measuring the UV rays. Relation between UV radiations and photo parameters is shown below. Determination of a scene luminance. For photos taken using smartphones, many parameters like aperture, exposure time, and the ISO exposure time and ISO speed are recorded along with the photos. There are several APIs which provide all the properties related to the photographer, and the aperture, exposure time, and ISO speed of the photo are known. Scene luminance can be obtained by LA 120 A square by ST. Determination of scene radiation. Photometer and radiometer are close relative to the scene radiation can be obtained by LAE is equals to 40 A square by 31 ST. Determination of UV radiations. The UV radiations value can be obtained from the scene radiation using the formula LAE UV is equals to 6A square by 155 ST. For computing based on data aggregation. To calculate the suggested UV radiation algorithm, one has been developed which runs on the server side. The given below 11th page algorithm is given based on the to calculate the suggested UV values, and these are the results. And applications are the developed UV meters. Applications is lightweight, fast, and effective. Can be used to protect skin from harmful radiations. Helps farmers to protect crops in their fields against harmful radiations. Helps people to decide suitable location to build their house. Conclusion. The procedure directly utilizes readings from camera sensors, so it can be used on almost all the smart cameras. In addition, it is used for computing to improve the result accuracy in real time. Overall, results from rigorous experiments showed that the proposed procedure could achieve an average of 95% accuracy of a typical profession digital UV meter, and far better accuracy than using the emerging UV sensors equipped on smart watches. References are given below. Thank you.